Winter Road Maintenance Program 2023 to 2024. This system is designed to guarantee mobility under the best conditions of both safety and fluidity throughout the 125 kilometers of the AP6, AP61 and AP51. We work on training and on reviewing machinery and procedures throughout the entire year. The system is coordinated from the Operations and Road Safety Center in San Rafael, Segovia, which monitors traffic 24 hours a day, 365 days a year. During the months of November to April, we activate a series of specific resources to reinforce our response capacity. At least once a year, we organize winter road maintenance drills to check our response to weather alerts. For autopistas, reducing the risks associated to driving while maintaining the service of the roads in conditions of maximum safety is our priority. Our goal is to guarantee the security and comfort of the people who use the different highways that we manage during this period of special complexity. We adapt our winter road maintenance system to each of the concessions that we manage. The system is possible thanks to a wide fleet of specialized vehicles and the adequate training of Autopistas staff, committed to road safety.